Guys, welcome back to the channel, Cav the Gamer. If you've been watching my previous video of my custom image Photoshop design on my custom keyboard and mouse, you would have seen that I designed the image from scratch, and I did say in the video that I was having it printed. Well, today it has finally arrived, my custom gaming mouse and keyboard mat from my Photoshop image I've designed, and all I've got to say is wow, I'm well happy with the design. It's come out perfect, really good. If you want to get something similar done, then do check out ID Gaming. I will be leaving a link in the description of the video to where you can find them on their website. Please have a look. If you haven't seen my video of me actually designing this image from scratch on Photoshop, then please do check it out. I'll leave a link in the description of that video where you can find it. If you're not subscribed already, then please do go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you like the image that it's turned out and my Photoshop image design. So let's get straight into it. I will be showing a better quality video of the mouse mat. I just wanted to introduce the video, so as you can tell, it's a really quality product. Whenever you buy anything from ID Gaming, the mouse mat came in this very sort of nice suede sort of pouch that the mat was wrapped in, so it's really good. So definitely nice quality. Oh, also came with a little blue ribbon bow, so that was a nice touch as well. A little thank you cards and an ID Gaming sticker. The mouse mat itself was pretty big for my desk, I have to say. I've had to put the PS4 console standing upright. I have got my PS5 on the way. It should be here next week. I will be designing a custom Photoshop image for the PS5 that will then get printed as a wrap that will then put on the console. So if you want to see something similar to what I've done with the keyboard and mouse mat, then I suggest hit that subscribe button, hit those notifications on, because once I get a hand on that hold on my PS5 console, I'm going to be going to Photoshop to do another image from scratch to get printed. And what I want to try and do is have my PS5 console completely custom in terms of the image, and my PS4 consoles and my other consoles. Our main one is to get the PS5 one done. But yeah, if you haven't checked out the video, please do. I'll just go ahead and do a straight video of the mount, and you can see the quality of what it's come out as. PS5 videos. I will have the PS5 by next week, so some gameplay of the PS5. I've got some other walkthroughs lined up. I have, bear with me. I've got Dragon Ball Z, Budokai. Well, our main tech, Kakarot. Don't slag me off the comments. Budokai Tenkaichi was one of the greatest PS2 Dragon Ball Z games. We're not going to get into that. I've got Kakarot. I have not even opened it yet. I've just finished up with the Star Wars Jedi Fallen. That will be up soon. The videos for the walkthrough of that, followed by Kakarot, and then I've got Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War coming on Friday. So I've got quite a lot of videos lined up coming. I've just not really had the time to get everything all done. Like I said, Matt is finally here. I'm going to start getting to work already on Photoshop on trying to do a PS5 image and what I want to do with it. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. Definitely hit those notification buttons and keep up to date with the latest videos I'll be doing. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Take care. So guys, for those of you who have watched the previous video, this was the Photoshop image I designed and everything. You can see all the different layers there. If you want to see how I did this again, look at the previous video of me designing it in Photoshop. So anyways, it went from this image here on Photoshop down to here. What do you guys think? Look at the size of that. It is a very big size. It's very quality, feels really nice to touch, feels slip proof as well, doesn't feel slippery at all. I love how it's completely as I had it on the screen, but just better than what I expected. What do you guys think? I cannot wait to start working on my PS5 Photoshop design after having this one printed and just making it look like this. I'm well happy about it. What do you guys think? Yeah, just definitely check it out guys, and get creative and make your own one, and just follow some guys like me on YouTube and Photoshop ideas, and you could create your own sort of similar image to this one. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Take care.